CCTV footage captures the moment an earthquake hit northwest China, with people seen scrambling in panic to get out of a restaurant. At least 100 people were killed and hundreds more injured when the magnitude 6.2 quake struck Gansu province around midnight on Tuesday, according to Chinese state media. Thousands of rescue personnel were dispatched to the disaster zone and worked through the night. The impacted area is in a high-altitude region where the weather is cold. Some water, electricity, transportation, communications, and other infrastructure have been damaged, but officials provided no further details. It's still unclear how many people are missing. Daylight revealed the extent of the damage with homes and buildings reduced to rubble. Taiwan's President Tsai Ing-wen expressed condolences to China on Tuesday and offered her government's help. Earthquakes are common in western provinces such as Gansu, which lies on the eastern boundary of the Qinghai Tibetan Plateau, a tectonically active area. China's deadliest quake in recent decades was in Sichuan in 2008, during which nearly 70,000 people were killed.